Today we are going to speak about painting robots and reasons why to think at engineering controls in order to isolate people from the hazards that are common associated with spray painting and powder coating. Before we start watching, don't forget subscribe the channel. Hello. While painting robots can refer to various things, I assume you're interested in robots designed to create visual art through painting. These robots can be both fascinating and innovative. Here are a few aspects related to painting robots. Industrial painting robots. These robots are commonly used in industries for tasks like automotive painting. They are programmed to precisely apply paint to objects such as cars, ensuring an even and consistent coating. This helps improve efficiency and reduces errors compared to human painters. Artistic painting robots. Some robots are specifically designed for artistic purposes. Artists and engineers collaborate to create robots that can paint on canvas, walls, or other surfaces. These robots can be programmed with algorithms to produce intricate and unique artworks. Generative art. Some painting robots are not explicitly programmed to replicate existing images but are designed to generate art autonomously. Using algorithms and artificial intelligence, these robots create original artworks based on predefined parameters or even learn from their surroundings to produce unique pieces. Collaboration with artists. In some cases, robots are used as tools by artists to enhance their creative process. Artists may program or guide the robot to create specific effects, combining human creativity with the precision and repeatability of robotic systems. Interactive art installations. Painting robots are sometimes incorporated into interactive art installations. Visitors may be invited to collaborate with the robot, influencing the artwork's creation through their movements or input. Educational tools. Painting robots can also serve as educational tools, teaching students about robotics, programming, and the intersection of art and technology. Examples in the art world. Some well-known examples include the eDavid robot, created by researchers in Germany, which analyzes and mimics existing artworks. Another example is the RoboArt competition, where robots create paintings that are then judged by both humans and AI algorithms. Overall, the integration of robots into the world of painting represents a convergence of technology and art, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in both fields. In the realm where creativity and technology intertwine, painting robots emerge as both innovators and collaborators in the art world. These mechanical maestros are not confined to the industrial arena, where their precision is harnessed for automotive painting. They've also ventured into the realm of artistic expression, wielding brushes and algorithms to craft captivating visual masterpieces. Imagine a canvas coming to life under the calculated strokes of a robotic arm, each movement programmed with precision to create an even and consistent coating. Industrial painting robots have long been a mainstay in factories, ensuring that cars gleam with a flawless finish. But beyond the assembly line, a new breed of robots is taking the stage, poised to redefine the boundaries of artistic creation. Artistic painting robots, the offspring of collaboration between artists and engineers, are programmed not just to replicate but to innovate. These machines, armed with algorithms, produce intricate and unique artworks on canvases, walls, or any surface that beckons their creative touch. The intersection of human ingenuity and machine precision results in a harmonious symphony of artistry. Some robots transcend imitation altogether, diving into the realm of generative art. With algorithms and artificial intelligence as their palette, these robots autonomously create original works of art. Their electronic minds giving birth to pieces that are as unique as they are mesmerizing. The canvas becomes a playground for code and creativity, a dance of logic and inspiration. In this dynamic landscape, painting robots aren't just tools wielded by artists, they become collaborators in the creative process. Artists and machines join forces, blurring the lines between the organic and the mechanical. The artist's vision and the robot's precision converge, resulting in artworks that are a testament to the symbiosis of human and artificial intelligence. These robotic artists are not limited to static canvases. Interactive art installations invite spectators to become active participants, influencing the robot's strokes with their movements or input. The boundaries between creator and observer blur as a shared artistic experience unfolds, mediated by the mechanical artist at the center of the collaboration. Educationally, painting robots serve as engaging tools, opening doors to lessons in robotics, programming, and the fusion of art and technology. Students can explore the intersection of creativity and engineering, unlocking new ways to express themselves while learning the intricacies of machine behavior, from eDavid's analytical mimicry to the RoboArt competition's algorithmically judged creations. Painting robots are making their mark in the art world. These mechanical virtuosos are not just revolutionizing how we paint, they are redefining the very essence of artistic creation. In their calculated strokes and algorithmic inspirations, we witness a fascinating fusion of human imagination and robotic precision, opening new vistas for the future of art. And finally, don't forget subscribe channel and like the video.